In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Angular. It is rather easy to update Angular CLI for updating Angular itself. So we are going to update Angular CLI. At first, check your Angular CLI version. In your command line, type ng-v. Here Angular CLI version is 1.5.0. Next, check the current version of Angular CLI. In your browser, open Angular CLI site. Its URL is https://github.com/angular/angular.cli/release. You will find the current version in this page. At present, the current version is 1.6.4. So we are going to update Angular CLI. It is very easy to do it because it is the same as the installation. Type npm-g at Angular CLI. It will take some time. It's finished. Then check the version of Angular CLI. Type ng-v. The version is 1.6.4. OK. Next we are going to make a project for testing. Type ng new test version. It will take some time. Then change into the new project directory. Start your code editor. I am going to use Visual Studio Code, which is popular for Angular developers. Open package.json file. You will find the Angular base version. Here it is 5.1.0. OK. Thank you for watching.